Alright, so chances are if you clicked on this video, you want information on how to inspect your helmet shell as well as taking care of it. So let's get into it. Okay, so first let's inspect the helmet. You want to start by examining the outer shell of the helmet. You're looking for any cracks, dents, or deep scratches. These can compromise the helmet's integrity. Okay, so after you inspect the outer shell, you want to inspect the inner shell as well as your U-channels, making sure there's no signs of delamination and making sure that there's no major cosmetic damage. In order to check the inner portion of the shell, you're going to have to take the impact layer padding system out. And once again, you're checking for dents, any kind of bubbles. You want to make sure that the Velcro's not easily coming off, which it shouldn't be. And if you have any issues like that, definitely send the helmet back. Okay, so let's talk maintenance. As far as your ballistic helmet goes, this is something that's potentially going to save your life and something that you invested a lot of money into, so you really want to take care of it. So one of the things you don't want to do is leave it out in direct sunlight for long periods of time or extreme temperatures, and that goes with anything that you own. You're not going to just leave it out in the sun or out in the environment, so you want to take care of it. As far as storage goes, you want to keep it in a cool, dry place. Like for one, if you have a helmet bag or a helmet stand or something like that, that would be that would work a lot better than just leaving it out in the sun. Okay, so as far as cleaning your helmet, you're going to want to use only soap and water. You don't want to use any other kind of chemicals that might potentially damage the paint. And then on top of that, with the soap and water, if you need something to scrub, then use a soft brush. You don't want to use anything that's going to be really aggressive. If not, you're going to ruin the paint job on your helmet. Now when you're done cleaning it, you want to make sure and just let it air dry. Don't try to use a blow dryer or anything else, or don't put it in direct sunlight to make it dry faster. If you want this to last you a long time, you need to take care of it. And so following these simple steps will help ensure that this helmet lasts you a lifetime.